Florida lawmakers are now joining the redistricting drama. Florida's House Speaker now says that he's on board with beginning the process that the governor has been pushing for.
The question now is, will it hold up in court? See, the state constitution has an amendment that requires partisan politics to be left out of this process. Fox 35's Evan Axelbank has the latest.
Obviously something.
A week ago in Tampa, Governor DeSantis dropped a hint.
I would look favorably on the legislature taking it up. So I would just say stay tuned on that.
And the House Speaker has taken that hint. Writing yesterday, he is forming a select committee on congressional redistricting. He says there are national conversations ongoing in other states related to midterm redistricting. Exploring these questions now at the mid-decade point would potentially allow us to seek legal guidance from our Supreme Court. He's only allowing representatives who haven't made public statements about Republicans potentially growing their 20-8 lead in Florida's delegation.
What Florida Republicans are probably going to try to do is avoid saying things that would be so blatant that this Supreme Court would say that they went too far.
This is the rub. Florida's Fair Districts Amendment, passed with 63% of the vote in 2010, says no apportionment plan or district shall be drawn with the intent to favor or disfavor a political party or an incumbent. The governor has acknowledged that his party could benefit.
That could be the difference in the House of Representatives and the majority.
Republicans already have 71% of Florida's congressional seats, despite President Trump winning 56% of the vote.
It is a clear maneuver to secure Republican dominance in Congress for generations to come. And it's unconstitutional.
After prodding from the White House, Republican states like Texas and Florida are considering new maps in hopes of shielding the president from the typical midterm losses to incumbent parties. While most midterm redistricting has been done in reaction to a court order, the governor argues the Fair Districts Amendment is unconstitutional because it says districts must not abridge the equal opportunity of racial or language minorities to participate in the political process. He says that leads to an unfair consideration of race.
The way it was done, many people believe runs afoul of the federal Constitution. If that's the case, then I think the Florida Supreme Court's position would likely be, well, this is just it's unenforceable at this point.
Evan Axelbank, Fox 35 News.
Also developing today is the deadline for Texas Democrats to return to Austin after they left the state to prevent a vote on congressional redistricting in that state. The governor says that if they don't return, they could be arrested. A senator from Texas says the FBI is now on board with helping track them down. The Texas Attorney General is also pushing judges in Illinois to enforce the arrest warrants against the absent lawmakers. And the governor, Greg Abbott, threatening fines, removal from office, and even possible criminal charges. The Democratic lawmakers fled the state last weekend for blue states like New York, California, and Illinois. In response, Democratic-leaning states like California, New York, and New Jersey are also considering their own redistricting plans to eliminate some Republican seats and get more Democrats in office.